There are many questions running through our minds, and one of those is, how did Batman become the Batman? Was he infected by a bat? Well, he was never been infected by a bat. He was once afraid of bats, so he thinks that a grown man dressed as a bat will scare people. In a non-fictional setting, should we be afraid of bats? Bats are ecologically valuable as they aid in pollination and pest control. However, bats may also serve as reservoir hosts of viruses. In 2019, the first beta coronavirus in Mindanao, my home, was detected in a fecal sample of a long-tongued nectar bat. So far, as compared to studies regarding bat viruses, research on pathogenic bacteria hosted by bats are very limited. They are known to host pathogenic enteric bacteria from Salmonella, Escherichia, and Pseudomonas. Hence, it is also significant to research on the fecal bacterial microbiome of this long-tongued nectar bat as it affects human health. Preventive measures have an influence in decreasing morbidity and mortality. However, most indigenous communities in the Philippines already experience poor access to healthcare. More so, the coexistence of bats with these communities also pose threats, and public health necessities such as soaps and hand sanitizers are vital. In the Philippines, there are already soap-making initiatives that use indigenous ingredients and subsequently provide them to families who lack access to such necessity. Nevertheless, because of the portability of hand sanitizers as compared to soaps, researches concerning such must also be extensive. Thus, I decided to research an indigenous plant species as an additive to hand sanitizers. The Philippines is a biodiversity hotspot hosting many plant species with antibacterial properties, and sweet bamboo is one of them. The bamboo shoots possess this characteristic because of phenolic compounds. Likewise, bamboo shoots are the fastest growing plants in the world, making them renewable. Because of these characteristics of sweet bamboo shoots, ethanolic extraction was carried out and combined with a sanitizer base, which includes glycerol, ethanol, and rose water. Subsequently, the antibacterial property of the formulated hand sanitizer will be assessed through the agar-well diffusion method against the characterized isolates from fecal samples of a long-tongued nectar bat, wherein results will be compared with bamboo shoot ethanolic extract, sanitizer base, and brand X. Proven to be effective, it can be used for cleaning hands before and after eating. It can also be used by health practitioners. And most importantly, the inspiration of this study, the indigenous communities of the Philippines. Aside from the potential antibacterial properties, this could also promote growing bamboos on farms. With this, I can say that we don't need to become Batman to help the community. We can be a hero on our own ways. Let's shoot to destroy the Batman transmission. Thank you.